I know, you're all chomping at the bit, ready to get to know the rest of our class. So let's get this started. My name is Lacey Gasparato, and I'm not your typical college student. I've been in this position before about 6 years ago, going through a physical health education class, and now I'm back 6 years later for an animal science degree. Different? I know, that's me. Today I've got 3 items that should show you a little bit about me, give you some clarity on the kind of person I am, but you can make your own assumptions. So, today we have my cowboy hat. It's worn, tattered, most people would say worthless. I love this hat, that's why I bought it, and that's why I still use it. It's still useful in the sense that I can wear it and use it for the intended purpose of riding horses and weather and cold and all of the things that it should be used for. But like my hat, people will always have an opinion of the people around me and also the animals that I work with. But that doesn't necessarily mean that I have to believe them or I have to use their opinions as my own. I like to use my own experience with those people and those horses or other animals to gain their trust, to figure out what kind of personalities they have, to decide whether I'd like them as friends or just co-workers or whatever it may be. My second item, this is a feed scoop. Don't let the name fool you. I actually use it as a multi-purpose device. It's been used to help me clean out water troughs, as decorations, all kinds of different things. The point of this is that I'm a multi-purpose kind of person. I put myself into different industries where females technically aren't really supposed to be in a societal norm, but that's the kind of things that I like to do, is push society. I've been an electrician's apprentice. I have been in the fire safety industry, both of which I was the first female in those actual offices to do that job. And my third item is this magazine. In this magazine is actually some pictures of my family, and my family is very important to me. I now have kids. They're very important to me. I show them that family is very important, and that's the kind of people that we are. I didn't grow up in an agricultural based family, but we did grow up fishing and doing all kinds of good outdoorsy things, and that's kind of what led me to the love of animals and especially horses. So this is us, and this is actually the first fishing trip that I can remember, and I'll tell it to you guys real quick. So I don't remember if they actually taught me how to reel in or not, but I do remember sitting in my Mickey Mouse chair with my Snoopy fishing pole, and all of a sudden, straight into the water I went. They got me out, they got the pole. Guess what? There's a little fish on the end of the line. He's about this big. Luckily, they took pictures of the before and aftermath, but they didn't submit the aftermath to the magazine for the whole world to see. But I do have those pictures still, so it's a great memory, and I hope this gives you a good idea of the kind of person I am, and I hope to see you guys again.